Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at how we can deploy Lightning Modern Forms to your SharePoint environment. So what we can do is open up the app catalog within inside your SharePoint environment, and mine is pointing to sites/app catalog. And under apps for SharePoint, we're going to simply drag and drop the package, which is an SPFX package, into the app catalog. After a moment, you should see the upload completed. And then you're going to be asked to trust Lightning Forms. So we're going to tick the checkbox to say make this solution available to all sites inside the organization, and then click deploy. And that's it. You have now deployed Lightning Forms to your SharePoint tenant. So the next thing we're going to do is just go into a SharePoint team site, and I'm going to go to the site contents. And within inside the site contents, you'll see that I have this list here called employees. And as we navigate into employees, once the page is fully loaded, under the ellipsis here, you're going to see Lightning Forms customization dialog.